Second division ba lang? Second division.
Your Honor, the witness is here.
With the kind permission of this honorable court, may we be
proceed.
allowed to proceed, Your Honor?
Proceed.
You're right. Mr. Anuisa, I understand that PASAP is a labor union.
Opo.
You reorganized and registered with the Department of Labor.
Opo.
So, it also has a board of directors.
Yes.
May we know from you whether your appearance today is authorized by the board?
Kasama ho ng function ko yun bilang isang presidente.
That's not my question to you. My question to you is whether there is a board resolution authorizing you to appear. Kindly ask, may we ask, Your Honor, that the
Wala po.
witness... Wala. So your coming here is only at your instance. Voluntarily.
Bilang isang presidente ng labor union.
I see. Now, I noticed that while you were testifying, you were apparently too mad against the Chief Justice Corona. Am I right?
Hindi naman po.
What made you state that kaya nga po gusto namin, maalis na siya?
Kasi nga, because of sa pangingialam niya po, sa tingin namin na pangingialam niya, nagresulta sa pagkabawi ng final decision. Of course, hindi kami naging masaya sa partisipasyon niya.
Sa pagkaalam ninyo, ano po ang naging base ng inyo sa pakialam ninyo?
Sa mga earlier resolution po ng Supreme Court, malinaw na nag-inhibit siya earlier. Tapos doon sa October 4, yung pagbawi ng desisyon, nag-participate siya.
Alin pong decision ang binawi?
Yung recall po, yung final decision nung September 10.
Yung order denying the second motion for reconsideration. Ganun ho ba?
Opo.
So the order on the merit, the decision on the merit still stand.
Yes, meron.
And it is in favor of PASAP.
Yes po.
That had not been touched
Hindi pa
whatsoever.
po. Hindi pa po.
All right. So it is very clear now that what had been touched in the resolution you're speaking of is only the order denying the second motion for reconsideration.
Yes.
I noticed that you do not appear to have examined the resolution in connection with that.
Which
Am I right?
resolution? Alin pong
The
resolution?
denial of the second motion for reconsideration.
Nakita ko po yun.
Now, I'm showing to you a notice dated October 25, 2011 of the NBank. And this appears to, at the bottom portion thereof, it appears Corona, CJ, Carpio, Velasco Jr., Leonardo de Castro took no part. Are you referring to that resolution?
Tama po yan.
Why are you saying that it was Chief Justice Corona who engineered or the denial of the resolution?
I was referring on the October 4 recall order.
No, but I'm not asking. That is not my question to you. My question to you is the order that nullifies the motion, the second motion for reconsideration. Yung pong tinatanong ko sa inyo.
Already answered, Your Honor. October 4 na po yung sinabi niya.
Let the witness answer the question.
Can you repeat the question, sir?
May we request Your Honor?
Witness, intindihin mo lang na mabuti yung tinatanong nung nagtatanong sa iyo.
Opo.
Para sagutin mo yung tanong. At huwag kang liligaw-ligaw. Sagutin mo yung tanong. Naintindihan mo po ba yung sinabi na?
Opo.
Ano po ang sagot niyo? Ay. I'm showing to you a copy of the NBank resolution, which I'm referring to in my question. Will you kindly go over the same and tell us whether you'll agree with me that Chief Justice Corona took no part in that resolution?
October 25. October. Tama po yan. October 18, Chief Justice Corona took no part. Nandito po sa baba with Velasco Leonardo. Tama.
And you knew that as a fact.
Yes po.
That notwithstanding, you are recommending the dismissal of Chief Justice Corona.
Yes po.
Yes. No other ground.
May I add something po? Para, kasi iba ho ang rini-refer natin eh. Magkaiba ho.
No, just kindly answer the question. I'm asking you a definite question. Are you predicate?
Huwag ka makipag-argumento sa abogado, sagutin mo lang yung tanong sa'yo. Pakilang.
Opo.
Para hindi tayo tatagal dito. Wala tayong mahabang panahon. Sige, sagutin mo lang yung question.
Yun ang sinabi ko.
Anong exhibit yun?
Tama ho ito. Noong October 18 notice, M-Bank took no part ho si Chief Justice Corona.
Thank you. May we request, Your Honor, that this document identified by the witness be marked as exhibit 60, Your Honor.
Mark it accordingly.
Now, I am showing to you again another resolution of the Honorable Supreme Court and Bank dated February 6, 2012. Kindly go over the same and tell us whether October 4. Kindly go over the same and tell us whether you are acquainted or you know that resolution. Witness perusing the same, Your Honor. Ang tanong po lang sa inyo, yan ba'y nakita ninyong dati?
Opo.
Opo. May we request, Your Honor, that this document be marked as exhibit 61, Your Honor, for the defense.
Mark it accordingly. What is the date of that resolution?
October 24, Your Honor. October 4. October 4, Your Honor.
That's different from the previous resolution.
That's correct, Your Honor.
All right. What was the date of the previous resolution?
Yung unang resolution.
What are you na
Oo. 18 October.
May we request if we can see also the document, Your Honor?
Ito ba ngayon? Itong huli? The first one, Your Honor, is dated October 18, 2011, Your Honor.
That is the first resolution.
Which is their exhibit, which is prosecution's exhibit 6S, Your Honor.
That was the first resolution.
That's correct, Your Honor.
And the second resolution is dated 24.
October 4, Your Honor.
October?
4, Your Honor.
October 4. Proceed.
No. Witness going over the same, Your Honor. Sige po. Okay? Ano ang sabi?
That's okay.
Tama yan?
Tama.
Opo. Akin ako. I noticed that in this resolution, more particularly at the bottom thereof, which states, the court and bank further resolves to recall the resolution dated September 7, 2011 by the second division in this case. Did you notice that?
Tama po.
So, the recalling of the resolution concerning the second motion for reconsideration was made by the court and bank.
Yes.
Alright. Not by Justice Corona, not by Chief Justice Corona.
Hindi po.
Oh, you will agree with me that Chief Justice Corona had nothing to do with the recall of the resolution.
Meron po.
Oh, sabihin nga ninyo kung anong kinalaman niya sa resolution nito.
Kasama po siya sa nag-decide.
Paano niyo sinabi na kasama siya?
Nakalagay po sa baba ng resolution na yan, yung mga wala doon. Wala yung pangalan niya doon po.
So yun lang ang batayan ninyo.
Opo.
You have not gone over the records of the court, of the Supreme Court in connection with this resolution.
Yung previous records po,
No,
mayroon na siyang
this
tukno
one
po.
only, this one.
Dyan po, wala kami
Wala,
doon sa
wala.
loob.
Now, may I know from you whether you had been an employer official of the Supreme Court?
Hindi po.
Hindi po. You will agree with me therefore that you have no knowledge whatsoever of the rules and procedures of the court, both in the division and in bank.
Sa konting consultation po with the lawyers, but
Alam mo ba
So-
yung reglamento ng Korte Suprema?
hindi po.
O yun.
So the basis of your statement now relative to hindi po nakalagay dyan ang pangalan niya, yun lang sinabi sa inyo ng mga abogado. Mga abogado ba o abogado lang?
Abogado po at
Sino po in particular?
si Attorney Kapunan po.
Attorney?
Santiago Kapunan.
Yung abogado ninyo?
Opo.
Now, sige na, dapat pa. So, kung sinabi sa inyo ni Attorney hindi ho ba itong dating retired justice?
Hindi po,
Kapunan?
anak po to.
Anak, I see. Kung sinabi sa inyo na ganito't ganito, kung wala kayo nalalaman, ang aking pakahulugan paniniwalaan nyo siya sapagkat siya abogado nyo. Tama ho ba ako?
Opo. And based on the records din po.
Alin pong record na sila
Yung
sabi?
nandun po sa baba ng resolution na binigay ng Korte Suprema.
Alright. Now, you mentioned while testifying on direct that there was a sort of a letter coming from Attorney Estelito Mendoza to the Chief Justice Corona. Am I right?
Meron po.
You have seen that letter?
Only after the recall order.
And the letter was signed by Attorney Mendoza,
Opo.
addressed to the Chief Justice?
The clerk of court.
Clerk of court. So you are now withdrawing your statement that it is a letter by Attorney Mendoza to the clerk of court, not to the Chief Justice.
To the clerk of court.
I see. Now, in accordance with the rules of procedure obtaining in the Supreme Court, once a letter of that sort is brought to the attention of the court, it is referred to the clerk of the division involved. Am I right?
If, in my recollection po, may letter doon na may CC. Copy furnish po yung
Hindi po
Chief
yun.
Justice.
Hindi po yun. May we move to strike out the answer of the witness. Very unresponsive.
Answers
Ang tanong,
is stricken of the record.
Ang tanong ko po sa inyo ay ganito, kapag meron sulat sa clerk of court ng isang division ng Supreme Court, ito ay nire-repair sa division. Hindi ho ba? Yun ang tanong ko lang sa inyo, oo lang o hindi?
Opo.
Opo. Ito ho bang sulat na ito, alinsunod sa pagkaalam nyo, o sa sinabi sa inyo ni Atty. Kapuran, ni-repair sa division?
Hindi po. Hindi ko pa
Alin
alam.
po hindi ni-repair?
Hindi pa namin alam yun.
Hindi nyo alam. Kung sabihin ko sa inyo na itong sulat na ito ni Atty. Mendoza doon sa clerk of court ni-repair sa division, hindi nyo mapapasinungalingan yan, hindi ho ba?
Opo.
Sapagkat wala kayong kinalaman dyan.
Opo.
Basta galit lang kayo kay Chief Justice Corona.
Hindi naman dahil galit lang.
O ano pong ibig ninyo sabihin? Kung walang kinalaman si Chief Justice Corona dito, bakit kayo galit kay Justice Corona? Sa pagre-recall nito?
Siya ho lang yung...
No, I have not even asked the question. How could it have been answered?
Antayin mo muna na matapos yung tanong bago mo sagutin.
Opo.
Sige po.
Na-
Sagot po ninyo.
Ang sinasabi ko po, na doon siya lang yung kakaibang sitwasyon. Dahil nag-inhibit siya lang yung justice na nag-inhibit sa mga previous decision ng FASAP. Nag-participate siya sa recall at nag-inhibit ho muli.
Again, we move to strike out the answer of the witness and we request, Your Honor,
But that is the
that the
answer
witness
of the
be
witness.
directed to answer.
Unresponsive, stricken off the record. Come on.
Ang tanong ko po lang sa inyo ito, may sulat na dumating sa clerk of court na isang division, in this particular case, second division. Alam ba ninyo na ang sulat na yan, ini-repair
Hindi po.
sa division? Hindi nyo alam. Hindi rin ninyo alam kung anong aksyon ang ginawa ng division.
Hindi po.
Kung sabihin ko sa inyo na ini-repair ng division yan sa clerk of court in bank because dahil hindi nila mapagpasihan, meron ba kayong ebidensya na yan ay hindi totoo?
Wala po.
Wala. So,